everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be showing you guys how to make a baking soda volcano. The ingredients you're going to need is a half a cup, a tablespoon, a plastic cup, some vinegar, a water bottle, some food dye of your choice of color, and some baking soda.
And also a pan.
Woo! Yeah. So the first thing you're gonna do, actually, can I have vinegar? Okay, this stuff smells so bad.
I love it.
I hate this smell. Oh, it smells like Easter. I'm gonna put a half a cup, and then we're gonna mix some food dye. We're gonna make like a turquoisey color. Woo! That was a lot of green. So we're going to put a drop of green and some...
Blue.
Are we out of blue? No! No, it's okay, we got some more blue. Okay.
No, we
Can
good.
you get a pencil from the cabinet to mix it with?
Be right back.
I'm just going to add a tiny bit more vinegar because I know it's going to be a really dark color. And I'll lighten it up a bit. Boy. That's gonna look super cool.
It's gonna color the eraser, I think.
Actually, no, not that much. Does that look like a cool color?
That looks cool.
That looks really cool. Okay, now you can set this off to the side. We are going to... Next. That's what we're gonna do next. Oh, funnel. Can you give me a piece of paper? Actually,
Be right back again.
I don't know. Yeah, I measured out a tablespoon of baking soda. That's not a tablespoon. Fill it up, man.
What? It was sideways.
Oh, that's good. That's
Good enough.
And then we're gonna pour that in. And we're gonna put one more in. Two. Now we're gonna put two in. That's good.
Good enough.
We now put our water bottle on the baking sheet so that the explosion won't go everywhere.
Can I pour some?
Yeah, you start pouring it. Be very careful. And we're going to pour this in and make sure you're not standing over it. You can't have your hand there. You could... Stop! Stop!
I'm a pro. Lit. Whoa! That failed. Half of it went on there.
Yeah, because you did it wrong, you dummy. That was pretty cool.
It's like
This just looks so
a
cool.
light green.
It's like it's all mixed. And it looks really cool. So yeah. Okay. One last time. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time. Bye!